Hello everyone, today I will show you how to see the bid price of a shoe in StockX. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you want to go to StockX, and then let's say this is the shoe that I want to buy. Currently it is set to $92. You can always place bid on it. So the highest bid so far is $33, but it doesn't really say much about it. So what you really want to see is you want to go to the market data, and this is how you would be able to see how people are placing the bid for different size of your choice. And you can also click on the ask to see how much are they asking for. But this is how you will be able to see the price and then the bid. And thank you.